Yes. And then one more Chineke. Yes, now good afternoon, or good morning, or good evening, depending on the part of the world you reside. Yes, all hail Biafra, all my lazy. All hail Biafra, all hail Biafra. Yes, I'm reaching you live direct from Malta Highland. And I'm also goes on Ubochin Keta was Sunday. Today na Sunday. Many people don't see go church, go dash all those shameless pastors money. Yes, Umuchine Koyem goes on in May I and I Almighty bless and guide and protect each and every one of you today. Yes, all hail Biafra. Mokuna dey post the video. Mona dey post the video for me. Na me be Chimmezie Mrubio Koma. Nwa Chineke. Onye Chukwu goziri. Aham Chimmezie. Onye mloroba we wuziem. May I and I Almighty bless and guide and protect all of you. Today, I come to share good thing for una today. Today, I want to talk about spiritual. Now, spiritual and possession. Now, I want to talk about today. Because these days, Christianity confuse everybody. Christianity make you, when you see, when they talk about spiritual, when they talk about possess, you think maybe no one kind of big thing. But I dare today to break everything short for you. Because now me, many people don't know. I've been when they post this video for me. Many people know say me, Chimmezie Mokoma, I know they go church. I don't like church. Christianity, guy, I don't like Christianity. What thing? More than they post this video for me, my lovely people. Ekele my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu onye gadere na mma nwa Chineke onye mgozie gị my leader. I am now Almighty bless and guide and protect you, my lovely director. I love you so much. I love you so much, my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Sometimes people call me that and they'll say, Ruby, why is it that people like you can't so much believe in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? I say, yes, I believe in that because I am a Rastafari, because the book of Rastafari I've preached about him. Apart from that, spiritually, I understand him very well. Spiritually, when I say spiritually, I don't know him, say, physical. Before I start following my leader, I already studied him spiritually. He's a great man. When they say Messiah, if you're waiting for Messiah, they come again. My brother, you fail. The Messiah is here. My leader. You go see Biafra. You go see Biafra, my leader, because people don't really understand you. People don't really know who you are. But no one came to Chimmezie Mokoma. I'm Monyewo. I'm saying Nwa Chineke. Onye Chineke is there. We must see Biafra. You like devil like it or not? Because the happiness when I get these days is that all the old prophecy, my leader prophesied, everything is coming ahead now. The real matter where even carry me come now. I been when they post this video for me. When I let people know say me Chimmezie Mokoma and my life now. When they post the video, that be the good thing when I go do for me. Because me, no retreat, no surrender. We must get Biafra or nothing. Because that country, Zoological Republic, called a zoo. Now they call a zoo. Obode Kwensu. That zoo, cancel come off your mind. Because if you see they claim one Nigeria, that means you and your family, I wish you Buhari and Jubilee for life. More than they post this video for my people, I love you all. Because this matter will make her come today. Like by this AAC issue, like carry me come. Because you know say we Biafrans, what would they if we like we Biafrans now? Mostly me. If people like me they come out, they talk about Biafra. Many people they fight, many people they insult me. But at times be to Chukwuka Biama, no Bochin Ketan. Those things I'm talking about, it don't they come to reality. And they don't they feel the same pain. They feel the same pain. When my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say no voting for Biafra land, they see like a speech. Animals, they begin fighting, begin talk rubbish. Even the so-called people they support the AAC, all of them, they begin fight. Say who he be, why go say me no voting. I think the same punishment now don't they reach about the so-called AAC. This is to show you that you they claim AAC. This is to show you that you are not in Nigeria. You are not part of Nigeria. You are claiming to be a monkey and babu in that zoo, and that is why they treat you like an animal. I'm talking about the AAC people. And they talk now, no matter how they talk. Because if you see what happened to those youth, those young boys, they campaign for their political leader, which is Oshowere. They know who cutlass. They know who gun. They know who knife. Only what they hold, now their banner and their paper where they share. Police carry them, he arrest them. Just for waiting. Just tell me the reason why they arrest those boys. Can somebody tell me the reason why they arrest those boys? To me, the reason why they arrest those boys now, anybody who raise his mouth, talk bad thing against my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, that's where you go end up. Anybody will open mouth talk about my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now waiting, now so they go hand up. I remember when they post this video for me. All those AAC members, when they post on our video, make Nana Mata carry me come today. Because I watch the arrest, so they arrest now. He pay me too much. He touch me. But why not pay me? Be say most of them when they arrest now, most of them don't like Biafra. That is why I enter that temptation. And I saw they go arrest now. So to show you where they claim AAC now, to show you, they'll let you know now, because you they claim AAC because you still want one Nigeria. But the one Nigeria you are looking for, this one will happen. I go show you say you are not Nigeria. You have to understand that you are not Nigeria. That is why they treat you like that. Now they get presidential debate. They get presidential debate now. The only person will go debate that debate and only article. Only article. Because Jubri, it can never come out. I dey tell you the truth. Now they put her on the 19th. Jubri now don't go England because Buhari don't die. Not be Buhari dey there. Buhari don't die. Now Jubri dey there now. So Jubri now they go England. They want go teach him what he want talk. No matter anything they teach that man, I swear that very day that Jubri go make mistake. That very day now Inyas go open. But definitely he will not come. Maybe they go say Osubajo, useless old fool. Where you call say pastor Ndara Obodo Kwenso Nigeria. That is the pure truth, my people. Happy Sunday, my biggest brother, Mado. When I repost the video, my people, I love you all. I love you all. For those people, they claim AAC. Now they go see the fight where they fight me, the insult where they insult Biafra now. It don't they come back to them. It's coming back to them. AAC, they make protests. They don't insult anybody. They don't make protests, say government. They're just doing campaign on their home party. They are campaigning for their party. They put poster. They no hold knife. They no hold gun. They no hold cutlass. Police begin attack them for waiting. But when PDP they do campaign, nobody attack them. When APC they do campaign, nobody attack them. But another political party now they make campaign and they begin to attack them for waiting. That is to show you that that country you are trying to protect is not going to favor you. At the end, this is the end of Nigeria. But my leader the Kusia get Nigeria. They think he's lying. He said go use truth to destroy Nigeria. They think he's lying. Now look at what happened to AAC people now. No political, nobody talk put. No king talk put. No elder talk put. No politician talk put. No news carrier. Now only Facebook carrier. No news carrier. Even the Sarah report, even the so-called Iwebi Sarah report leader. He was like Sarah report no carrier. He no Sarah report, he no carry what happened to his fans. He no carry what happened to his fans. They arrest those boys for nothing. Why this matter? I been no one talk about. The reason why I dey talk for this matter because anybody will open a rubbish mouth against my director, the person that will go end them with this one. I bet my mother post this video for me. God bless you, my big master. That is the pure truth because they pay me. Look at our Jewish people now. They come and they make protests. They still arrest the ones who they arrest. If you come and make protests, unless maybe na APC, unless na wetin concern APC or PDP you they do, because na the two political parties where they hold the country be that. Then tell me you will be youth. Where is your hope? Where is your Agola money? Anybody will raise smarts against my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, my brother. Now what you go enter be that? I wish the person and his generation Nigeria. Because if you don't like freedom, you don't even get the right to exist as a human being. What is freedom? If Chukwuka Abiyama no want make you get life, he don't go send you come this world, make you can stay. He don't go send you, but he can't send you now for due to the useless people you call your leader. They make life miserable for you. When each average Igbo man look up to Nigerian government, what did they see? Now betrayed because Igbo now suffering and smiling. Be their home. When average Igbo man look up to Nigerian government, what did they see? Now betray and death. Not say betray, death. When each average Igbo man look up to the Igbo political elites, what do they see? Now betrayed from our home blood. But when each average Igbo man look up to my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, my brother, we see future. We see future. We see love. We see respect of humanity. We see life. Somebody write me for my inbox. He said, Ruby, now Bini guy, he write me, say Ruby. He said the reason why I believe in Biafra. He said, imagine people like, he said, imagine person like me, God believe in person like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I say yes. I say don't expect man wey dey stand for altar believe my leader. Don't expect suit man wey don suit believe my leader. People wey don suit no dey believe the truth. The guy say for you, Ruby, for person like you wey dey Europe to believe in restoration, to believe in freedom. That means this thing wey your leader talk na truth. I say yes, na truth. I say because don't expect man with suit. I say no expect person wey wear suit make you believe my leader. No expect pastor make you believe my leader. Because they can never believe him, because they know that when Biafra come, those are nonsense, those rubbish that they come promise you, it no go work again. It no go work. Somebody say right to me, say Ruby, you say you no be Christian. He say but your leader na Christian. I say point of correction, my leader no be Christian. My leader who Christian, my leader Biafra. That's our religion. Biafra is our religion. That is what we believe. That's what we depend on. Don't call me, I'm not a Christian. Don't call me Christian because I have no business with Christianity. Biafra is our religion. That's what we believe. You like it or not. But you have freedom of religion. It's normal. That one is normal. But Biafra is our religion. You can't come and tell me what I understand and what I believe. That is truth. So for you, we see they find one Nigeria. For you, they claim one Nigeria. You see what happened to those youth. You see. Okay, now the presidential debate now. Even AAC, no day inside. The vice presidential debate now, what they do now. AAC, vice president, you know they inside. You know they, because they know that if those young guys enter the debate place now, Yawa go gas, their nyash, the nyash of those old useless leaders, it go open. Imagine country where we say useless old man at the age of 70 years. He go rule country, he go rule now, or state or president. He go come down and he go find another post. What about the youth? What about the youth? Because the leaders, they preserve you. They preserve you as a youth. They preserve you for the Christianity. They preserve you for the pastors to deceive you. They are there to deceive you. That is why they are working hand to hand. The leaders, the politicians, and the pastors are working hand to hand. If you watch this thing will happen to this youth, this AAC youth now, no pastor talk about, no pastor preach about them. No pastor preach about them because they don't say because zoo don't see already. We Biafrans don't go. If the zoo seek God their home, they don't say if that Oshowore become the leader of that zoo, they don't say then their pastor their nyash go open because Oshowore talk a little truth about the pastors. That is why none of them preach about Oshowore. None of them preach about him. But look at what they do to his followers. They don't carry knife. They don't carry cutlass. They don't carry gun. Just only banner and to share and to paste their picture. Then they begin arrest innocent people. And those people they arrest now that same people now then they thought say Biafra no go get head. But for their eye now Biafra don't get head. All those things when my leader they thought say if you are a proud zoological republic of Nigeria, your life will end up in shame. Now what it end now so? This is just the beginning. Moku na come make protest again. Now they shall say we no go agree, no more voting. The no more voting, my leader talk all of that. They talk nonsense. They say na hate speech. Not be the no more voting that they talk. The same no more voting. I dey look all of now they follow Oshowore. I dey look at they laugh. Oshowore na for one there. That one clear. If Oshowore is a truly leader, if not truly somebody, make it do the same to my director they do. That's how to know a good leader. If Oshowore na good leader, make Oshowore open the mouth. Make Oshowore open the mouth. Make him they do the same to my leader they do. Oshowore studio in Sarah report. He no carry this thing will happen. No. Oshowore Sarah report. He no carry this youth with the arrest. He no carry on. He no carry on. But why Oshowore no use it in television, in station? They draw all these leaders let come out. No, because before whenever they campaign as president, they use them well. When Oshowore never come out as a campaign, they use Oshowore against Biafra. That is the pure truth. When Oshowore never they campaign as a president, they use Oshowore against Biafra well. They use Oshowore against Jonathan Goodluck well. But today, I think they feel the same pain. No radio station they carry a poster. No television talk about them. No pastor talk about the matter. That same thing when they complain, what those animals they complain for. I think the thing don't happen today. It don't happen. When my leader thought it's not a speech. This one not a speech. I think they send no more voting when they talk now. I think they send no more voting now. Now show they put they talk so. Not be the same thing they talk. Everybody now shut up. They arrest those innocent boys now for nothing, just for nothing. Don't be saying that Biafra now they campaign for. Just they campaign for their own political party, for their own party now they campaign for. They just arrest them. So the young ministers now APC now concern me concern the country. I just talk the matter because now this emotion now they use against Jonathan Goodluck. Now this emotion they use against Biafra. But now when they come out as president now for the zoo now, they don't call the use them again. They don't call the use Oshowore again. In Sarah report. They don't call the Sarah report again. Because meanwhile, I'm here to tell you the truth. I beg my people, more than they post this video for me. I beg. Because this thing will they pay me now. All those Oshowore people, I never see any of them, they watch me. Meanwhile, make them come, make I tell them the truth. If you continue the campaign for one Nigeria, your life will end up in gutter. If you continue the part of Nigeria, I wish you and your generation Boko Haram. Because the kind pain, the kind innocent souls where they waste for that country, not be the country they're supposed to be proud of. If you continue the part of one Nigeria, if you continue to protect one Nigeria, so your life go there in bondage. Really, they say, what shall they profit a man when he gain the whole world and suffer for his own soul? Look at the shameless Buhari and shameless Fulani people. All those Fulani, they don't get sense. They are very shameless animals. Look at Buhari. As shameless as Buhari is, the country where you fight for, the country where you, because of the country they kill innocent people, they don't even give you a minute respect. Your country don't even know so you don't die. Just because of greediness. Because of greediness. Just because of greediness. Just imagine. And I never see the kind of shame. You see, Nigerians, they are very shameless and stupid. If you are proud Nigeria, you are very stupid. Because I don't see the reason why you claim proud Nigeria for. Look at the country you are claiming proud Nigeria for. Was held by Tukaba, saved by the president's wife, the late president's wife, open the mouth, talker. Animals, they see they campaign. Waiting make una no go make force, say, let's go to Aso Rock and see what is happening. You know, concern me because I'm not in Nigeria. I'm just telling you the stupidity of you people are. Do shina, man, don't claim one Nigeria. I be more than share this video, my people. I love you all. You they claim one Nigeria for impostor. You know, so when they bring cloning matter, because they feel say my leader don't know what they call cloning. They feel say they don't know. I'm man of my leader. See, my leader, might tell you one thing about my leader, one thing about him, of which you in Christianity can never edit that thing. My leader is a spiritual. You can never understand him. Everything he say come to pass. Oh, so no. I follow him very well. Everything you know, how can I be? How can I be? He's still coming. Everything my leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said is coming. It's coming more are still coming. Which of your prophets, which of your pastors don't prophesy make it come to pass? It can never come because now devil. Now they push them. Apostle Johnson Suleiman no know Shinama, Peter Fire. Apostle Johnson Suleiman, he make one prophecy. He said go disgrace my leader and he go disgrace Biafra. Internationally and locally, but the spiritual, the juju, the spiritual way give Apostle Suleiman that prophecy now fake because Apostle Suleiman no get eye. It's either he get unclear or no get unclear. Because the thing is supposed to be say him and the Nigeria and the impostor will be disgraced, and that's what's happening today. Apostle Suleiman, you go there alive, you go see the kind of disgrace internationally and locally. Now go see the happen so. You say they go disgrace Biafra internationally and locally. But now you useless president they disgrace now. Look at how comedian international and local they use your president they play. Look at how you're useless. Look at international and local. They watch all these foreign comedians. They use the country. You say they go disgrace us, but in your country they disgrace. Because you Apostle Suleiman, you are already disgraced. And they shame for the useless people when they follow you. And they shame for your Christianity because you Christianity don't have sense. Because you Christianity don't know your right. You don't know your right. Because if you know your right, you know that life is your right. But now church make you believe that life is not your right. Christianity make you believe that life is not your right. But I'm here to tell you that life is your right. That is why I refuse to go to church. Because the more you call yourself Christian, the more you keep going to that church, you can never find out the truth. And you can never know the truth. Because the pastor is there to deceive you. That is why. Imagine country where you say that they get oil. Imagine country where you say that they get money. Even drinking water all day. Tap government water all day. Even when I remember when I see the zoo. When I see the zoo, I did beneath that time. If tap they rush, they open tap that dirty water they come out for country where get oil. Dirty water they come out for country where get oil. It's like government school, we no get seats. Now this ground with the sit down. Now that kind of country you dey proud for. That is why you go finish school. For you to get job, you go inside. You go inside church. Go dey cry for job opportunity. Now church go provide job for you because now those useless pastors make you believe that you can get God go provide job. God not the answer prayer. You must understand. God does not provide job for you. God cannot provide job for you because He give you hand, He give you leg, He give you mouth, He give you nose, He give you eye, He give you ear, He give you oboro, and you cannot get wisdom from school. No. He can never get it from school. I'm spiritually blessed by wisdom. That is one thing. I not go university, I not go school, but I'm spiritually blessed by wisdom. The more you continue going to church, the more you continue depending on this pastor, the more your life is going down. Nothing will save you than Biafra. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, now tell me, that is the reason why. That is the reason why you go see them go dey sick. Pastor go dey sick, they go dey sick, or they'll say that they go holiday. They'll go Europe, go treat themselves. Governor go dey sick, you go Europe, go treat themselves. President go dey sick, go Europe, go treat themselves. But what about the poor masses where they go your church? And the shame when Nigerians go this, the so-called useless country where they claim proud Nigeria. And the shame say Nigerians go dey sick. They go transfer and they'll travel out, go on that country, go they treat them, which is a very shameful thing. This country when they Malta don't get resources, they don't get oil. Now immigrant and tourists now be their oil. They get the most highest hospital. You don't get the kind of sickness where this country no they cure. But now shameful thing for your country no get hospital. Because the government no go build hospital because after the government, if the government don't campaign, they'll come church. Imagine person will be say he not get anything. You don't get anything. If you don't become governor, before you know you don't blow. You can't begin buy a car. Now that same car where they buy, like, what kind of go church? Pastors now go to do Thanksgiving. Pastors now go to pay for that. They go to campaign, they go come church, call they make a call. That is why your prayer not the answer. Because when I talk something, believe me, that is why you are crying for church for nothing. Because your church was built with corruption money. Now corruption, bros, I don't like church. Me, I don't like Jesus Christ. I don't like God. God know they work. Jesus Christ not fake. God not fake. And they tell you the truth. That is why your prayer does not answer. Because your church and your religion was built by the blood of the innocent. Do you know how many millions of people they keep because of Christianity? Do you know how many millions of people they keep because of Islam? How can you tell me that somebody who don't even know about me, who don't even know my tradition, who don't even understand my language, will come and tell me that what I believe is an idol? And he brought me a book. He brought me a man, uncircumcised human being, that tell me that man died for my sin. For what reason? And you expect me Biafra? Let me come believe in those nonsense. Uncircumcised human being. When I post the video for me, no religion, no surrender. And that is why you are going to church for nothing. That is why that is why God does not answer your prayer, because the church you are going was built by corruption money. When those useless politicians they campaign, they'll begin share money, they'll begin come church because they make promise. They will come, pastor go down pray for like what is this useless Mbaka? The same Mbaka opened the mouth and said Jonathan was a bad luck, now Buhari be good luck. Now the same Mbaka now they campaign for Peter Obi and Atiku. You see why your prayer not the answer. You are crying for nothing. You are crying for nothing. It's only Biafra will save you. You like it or not. Because your church where they go was built by corruption money. It was built by the blood of the innocent. The money that was supposed to made for you. The money that was supposed to make you live good life. Then we used to go and build church. Use the money when go to stuff abroad. Or you both use the money to do business. They go buy car, they go buy house. Look at Dino. Dino Malaya, Malaysia. Dino saying they fight for the youth. Look at the cars where Dino get. One Dino car go reach they build 10 standard hospital for his state. The same useless Dino go build convert, the same build bridge. That is why your prayer will never answer. You are going for church for nothing. And they tell you the truth. I want more Christian. I want more God more. Bros, now spiritual me they do. And they call spiritual. That spirit, I worship the spirit because they are invisible. Because they control the physical. I am Chim Mezimo Koma. I am friend them more. My name give praise to spirit. Because Chim Nefe want more. You can never see him, he's invisible. That is why I know the truth. That is why I will always tell you the truth. I believe in spiritual. Because they see more than the physical. Because those same pastors that pray for you, those same pastors, they visit spiritual. They visit spiritual. But they will always give you hope. At the moment they post this video for me, my people, I love you all. I love you so much. Because more than I'm going to I will tell you the truth. The reason why your prayer does not answer, and the reason why you will continue praying until you frustrate. Only Biafra will restore your life. Only Biafra will give you everything you want. The reason why your prayer does not answer in the church, because all those politicians will come to the church. That same church where they go cry, say, may God give you job opportunity, may God give you husband, may God give you good life, may God heal your sickness. All those useless pastors, they deceive you. All those same pastors go, all those same politicians will come inside church. Pastor go say me the leader. Pastor go say more of an get up, book na raise una house, and go pray for them. After they don't pray for this politician finish, they go. Pastor no go quarrel for them, say we no provide job, no vote. Pastor go come with a campaign for them. These same people go win. When they win, they'll come back to church, come give thanksgiving. After they don't give thanksgiving, that's it. That is why they continue to promise you road, education every year, job opportunity every year. After they don't begin to frustrate you, then pastor now come inside church and come they pray. Imagine country, imagine how greedy Nigeria be. Imagine country, because the thing they pay me too much. For now when they go church, now they useless. They useless. If you are thinking that you can get help from the church, you fail. You cannot get solution from Bible. You cannot get solution from church. You cannot get solution from church. And they tell you the truth. Our forefathers, they didn't live with church, but they are live older more than me, and you are stronger than me and you. You can never get solution from the church, because these same useless men of dogs, they are not there to protect you. They are there to deceive you, to pack your money to go and build hotel, build everything. They get company for Europe. After the government of frustrate you finish, they don't push you come inside church. Imagine what they pray for inside church. They pray success. How you want to get success? Where government no pay salary. How you want to get job opportunity where there is no job in the country? The government refused to provide job opportunity. Because when I talk some useless people, now I live for Nigeria, I say animals, they fight for Bible. Animals, they fight for pastors. Useless animals. When I say animals, I mean human beings. They fight for pastor, they fight for Bible, they fight for God and Jesus Christ, where you don't know. The same pastors go tell you, say, give your life to Christ. And me and you know, say, who give you life? How you carry your life, give who you don't know. And you see how they deceive yourself. You give your life to somebody and you're still alive. This word where I talk now, you go see some Christian want defend this word when I talk. Give your life to Christ. That is why you are dying. Give your life to Christ. That is why you are dying. You give your life to a Igbo man. You give your life to Jesus Christ. A white man, or circumcised human being. Now you carry your life, go give. That is why they frustrate you. That is why they make you believe that you can get help from church. And I'm going to Yoku. They post in this video. Because only Biafra now go save you. Now only Biafra go save you. The reason why you can never get help from the church, the reason why you can never get husband from church, the reason why you can never get healed from the church, the reason why those animals are deceiving you is this. Because when they pray for the politicians go. Politicians, now their job now, they buy car, join car. They employ different security. They buy different audacious. They travel, their family go Europe, go stay. You don't get any of their family for Facebook. You don't go see any of them. The politicians don't go now. Then they'll come frustrate you. They look all those things where they promise, all those things where you go cry for side church, all those things where you go cry for side church. Now government will provide those seats for you. But because of the greediness and the wickedness of the pastor, refuse to tell you the truth now. The politician will frustrate you. Then the pastor will make you come to church because they cry. Imagine country where we say they don't pay government worker 50 euro. Yeah, 50 euro. Now shameful thing for a government worker, they pay us rent for a country. It's a very shameful thing. Because now shameful thing. It's a very shameful thing for government worker. I'll be lying. Now shame. For government worker, they pay us rent. Now shameful thing. I don't blame the government workers. The people I blame because these same government workers are still protected in one Nigeria. Look how many house one leader get for that zoo called Nigeria. Look how many house one leader gets. The same pastors go they pray for now, and they refuse. Imagine minimum wage now 18,000. Minimum wage now 18,005, and one bag of rice now 19,000. One bag of rice now 19,000. And they beg all these wicked politicians. Say maybe they pay at least 30,000. At least 30,000. They see they beg them. These wicked people, they refuse to pay all those teachers that money. Now that same country that you they pray for. Don't pray for that kind of useless country. Because you as a graduate, you go graduate, you don't go get job. You don't go get job. So why you they pray for Nigeria for? Look how many people don't graduate for that country. How many of them get job? How many graduates who don't graduate for that country get job? Now what you go ask yourself? How many children, how many people don't go school now and get job opportunity for that country? They're not there. Because the useless leaders, they forget to tell you the truth. Because the pastors, they are there to protect them. The pastors are there to protect them. Look at Mbaka. Mbaka, an Igbo man. Mbaka, an Igbo man. Igbo Fulani. Igbo Fulani, they altar. If they altar, they beg politician money. You see? And at the same PDP, now Mbaka opened the mouth to say Jonathan a bad luck to Nigeria. Now the same PDP where Mbaka opened that dirty mouth. Because why this thing they surprise me? They say, upon this thing where this man they talk, all those people see they follow that man. They see they go that man church. Because me they ask myself, because all the this way they go church, so they go that Mbaka church. I never see them better for that church. Because you can never get help from church, my brother. Mona stop, because if you never stop to the go church, you can never find out the truth. You can never find out the truth. At the time my guy we meet at the work, I tell him, I say, Austin, if I finish my house, I don't put camera, I don't put security. He say, why? I say, I'll do juju. I'll put juju for my house. If you want to come thief from my house, you begin to sweep until I come back. Now the boy say no. I say, why no good? He say no. I say, why no good? Why you say no good? He say no. I say no, he good. Because my house, if I build and finish, I go put juju. If you enter inside, one go thief. If you enter one, you go to sweep. You go to sweep. I'm not going to protect my house with blood of Jesus. No, I cannot protect myself with blood of person who don't die so many years. How many years you believe that the blood till they protect you? Don't be stupid. Don't let them fool you. Religion, Christianity is a mental slavery. You are more better than religion. I tell you the truth. You are far more better than religion. That is why you can never get help from the church. Because those pastors, they deceive you. Those pastors, they blind your eye. They make you not know what to be truth. They make you not know what to be truth. Look at them fighting for tithes. Look at people fighting for tithes. Look at you get one animal, one idiot. What do they call Akboru Rabna Akboz? They call one Robogabi comedian. If they follow, if they challenge that the fresh, what do they call that? I don't know what they call that man. Where they fight a bad tie to the pastors. Akboru Rabna Akboz, they call her. If they fight at the French. You when they call yourself, now Roboman they do. Ask that idiot, that nonsense where they call say comedy. May ask and say which oil money they use for that data state say come if I come. Because when they watch all these comedians, they don't get sense. All these comedians, they look, they laugh. Because if I see, because you see comedians, you see pastors, you see politicians, they are the same people. They are the same people. If you see the comedians now, what they see now, they use what they happen to their place. They do comedy. Like the Benin comedians, though they use juju, they make comedy. Juju never attack you. Juju never kill you. You go one big show, one useless woman where they France. Where they come out, they use juju, they play. My turn I want, this juju play. The day when juju go attack now, it's coming. All of una where they come out, they use juju, they make comedy. You don't see anything you want to make comedy for those states again, juju, you want use. Say that I get chance pass. No worry, they come. All of them when they do that thing, all those when they do that thing, you go enter on our head. I bet my lovely Benin people, don't forget to greet you now. Wasalogbe. I know so they don't start Igwe festival. The festival don't start now. Wasalogbe, Wedo, Wawato, Wedo Wasalogbe. My people are not verse on me. I suppose that they start this my video. Because I've been in the motto I carry for myself. If I enter, I'll greet my people because I was born and brought up in that Edo state, which is called Benin City. Wasalogbe, because now they don't start Igwe festival. Our king now in the festival now. Now by this kind of time we they go chop yam and cow every day, every morning. That's what they do. Oh, but we they go palace, go they flesh. Now the period we day so nevertheless more continue. So my Benin friends, I wish you a happy festival, all of you. May God I and I Almighty bless you. And the same, and to the same part, there are still many Benin Christians now. Where they don't like a festival. But these same people now, for where they do for Europe, they go pay. They go they watch their ancestors, their ancestral things. They go pay, they watch out for zoo. That is why if I look on our be Christians, I look on they laugh. And they laugh all of them because we don't know the truth. You can never find the truth from the church. You cannot find out the truth from the church because the church always blind your eye. They always want you to pray. How you go take get success? What did they bring good life? What did they bring good life now? When development day? What is development? When you get good road, you get light, job opportunity. You receive good salary, hospital day, water day, education dey. Na go make you get good life. And this things when I call now, no one dey exist for the country. No one dey exist. They want you to go inside church, go dey cry. You dey pray for what you need when it exist for the country. Tell me how you want to get am. How you want to get it? You dey pray something even dey exist. Okay, now you go pray. Now you can't get job. That job you can't get, so now money you want to get that job, so you can't pay 1 million naira. Take get bribe for church. Take get bribe for job. That job you get with 1 million naira. Maybe your salary na 10,000. How you want to cope? How you want to cope? Tell me why thief no go full everywhere. For those of us who in Europe, you never say they say person pants loss. Pants no the loss for Europe. Pants no the loss for Europe. Or say they do rituals. No, because now the useless country called Zoological Republic of Nigeria. That make all those things they happen. Because all those pastors are there to deceive you. Because more and I got church. I know they go church. Go see those pastors. What is the council for church always now? Demon. What is demon? Let's talk about this. What is demon? We'll talk about possess. What is possession? Because for me, this life all day, everybody they possess. Everybody, as far as you are a human being, you they possess. But the pastors make you believe that possess now one kind of big thing. What is possession? Possession mean this thing you love like me now. I did possess. Why? My possession is stubbornness. I did stubborn. I have my possession. But if pastor will come out now for side church, you're going to talk about possess. When you hear possess, you say possess now one kind of bad spirit. No. If you too like food, you possess by food. If you do the thought truth, you are possessed by the truth. It depends on what you like. That's what you possess on. Now the spirit, that's what you like. That's the spirit they use you. It doesn't mean that when they say person they possess, it means one kind of wicked or one kind of bad thing. What is possession? Possession live in each and every human being. As far as you they exist, as far as life is your right, you they possess. You must understand that thing. You must understand that thing. Because those pastors will never tell you the truth. Because those pastors don't want you to know who you are. Because those pastors will continue to disturb you. Those pastors, they will come inside church, they will tell you, say, anybody will hold your destiny. You must understand, say, now pastor, now hold your destiny. Now pastor, now hold your destiny. Not be anybody hold her. Now pastor, now hold your destiny. What did happen to your destiny? Your destiny no loss. Your destiny no fail. Now government I frustrate you because the pastors are the most wicked and dangerous people I ever see in my life. Pastors are the highest criminals. Pastor they collect money for imbecile hand. Pastor they collect money for a shower hand. Pastor they collect money for drug dealer hand. Pastor they collect money for police hand. Pastor they collect money for soldier hand. Pastor they collect money for lawyer hand. Pastor they collect money for the same politician hand. But can't tell me the pastors and the politician who can't do wicked pass. How many church university they see poor man they go? Church university. You know how much for the school fees? You fee pay. Redeem University. Redeem University. You know how much you go fee pay. But Idahosa from Edo State. Idahosa University. Poor people they go to school. I remember one of my girlfriend before. If I could sister at this one, at least they be when I say poor, at least they grant na Pepe ma the grant. If they go university, but Redeem University, all those Redeem, all of them, those church. Tell me how many students, how many their church member they feel go that school. Nothing. All those pastors, all general overseer, they get company for outside the country. They get company for Europe. They get company. Where they come for Europe, they say, you know what the payment pass be say, all those pastors they come Europe. All those pastors they come Europe. All those pastors they come Europe. All those things where you they go cry for side church. All those pastors they say that government will provide that thing. Apostle Johnson Suleiman will be thief, arm robber. Apostle Johnson Suleiman say if he come Switzerland, hand of God day body. He say if he go Germany, hand of God day body. If he go France, hand of God day body. Apostle Johnson Suleiman come Malta. He come Malta here. He no use generator to preach. Hand of God day body. But waiting the state where he come from, those states where he come from, waiting make hand of God no day body. If he dey find hand of God, make Apostle Suleiman go start from his state Awuchi. Awuchi for full Europe here, where they hustle, where they not get house. Now you open your dirty mouth. They thought say you want to deal with Biafra. Now you don't disgrace yourself already. You don't disgrace yourself already. Because this useless men of God, you must understand and say that they frustrate you. Imagine country where they hold salary, they hold workers 8 months, 6 months. Pastor will see they pray for progress outside church. How you want to get progress when they don't pay you salary? My people, just imagine, my people. Just imagine. Just imagine how stupid people are. And some animals go see the way they fighting because of pastors. Or you both they watch my video, they watch our videos, say this boy you don't wise. But black man go the one they fight me because of the truth. You dey pray for success for inside church for a country where they don't fit pay salary 30,000. For a country where government work and no fit buy house. For a country where government work and no fit train people for university. How many government work children they go university? Now what you go ask yourself for the country where they call your country. I'm not blaming the government work. I'm not blaming the workers. I'm blaming the people that you claim to be their citizen. What they are up to your life. They have no future for you. They have no good thing to offer you. They have no good life for you. When the pastors are sick, when the politicians are sick, they go to Europe to treat themselves. What about you? What about you? Now that is what you ask yourself. What about you? What about you? When they are sick, they go to Europe to treat themselves. But my brother, you go ask yourself questions. Okay, what about the poor masses? Because they make you believe say God dey heal sickness. Bros, God don't dey heal sickness. My brother, if God dey heal sickness, my brother, they for not get nothing like medicine. Medicine for not dey exist. If you be say God dey heal sickness, my brother, my turn at the truth. More than the deceive ourselves. If people know the truth, if you be say God dey heal sickness, medicine for not dey exist. Now two things they rule this world. Spiritual and physical, that they rule this world. That be heaven and earth. Now two things they rule this world. Now two types of sickness. They get physical sickness and spiritual sickness. If God they heal all those sickness, my brother, if not they exist. But now spiritual, now they heal those sickness. If now sickness where the spirit they attack, now spiritual you physically attack, not be church. If now physical sickness and normal sickness, you use a hospital they attack, but hospital not there. Pastors say they heal sickness. They don't heal sickness. I tell you the truth. Any sickness will not get cure. You know it's not spiritual sickness. And you go use spiritual, take follow, not be prayer. At the time of the truth, the reason why I know they go church, because you can never get the truth from the church. You can never, as far as you are a Christian, you can never get the truth from the church. Because the pastor will continue to deceive you. You go finish school, you go church, go declare for job opportunity. Because these pastors, they get accounts for Europe. They get houses for Europe. They get companies for Europe. They call Europe. They say, no, the blood of Jesus, they protect them for Europe. Now camera, they protect them. Now security, they protect them. Now soldier and police, they protect them for Europe. They get good road. They get good hospital. They get good government. But they'll come Nigeria. They'll come, they promise innocent poor people, blood of Jesus. Make it protect them. And they get security. You go to promise innocent people, blood of Jesus. For country where light no day, you dey promise blessing. For country where road no day, you dey promise success. For country where job opportunity no day, you dey promise job opportunity. Say God can never provide job for you. Now government dey provide job. Some animals go say the citizens have to change their way. My brother, nothing do citizen. Nothing do the citizen. Now the leaders now have to change their way, because when leaders are bad, the citizens go bad. When leaders are good, citizens go good. Look at the Europe. How many people they thief? Oyibo they thief, but how many Oyibo they thief? If it's go for it. Because the government, they okay, and they go know the reason why you do that thing before they go jail you. Because you get every opportunity for you. That is why they know they do rituals. That is why then they use their wisdom, they collect their money for Africa. Carry religion, give una. Then church now can't spoil everything. One pastor, one general overseer get more than 1,000 churches. Today will be Sunday. You know how many billions of naira want enter their pocket? You know the ones who they Europe no deal, the ones who they Nigeria no deal, the ones who they a different country no deal, America, all their branch. You know how much the one collect will be Sunday. You know how much to say those pastors they collect more than the politicians. They collect more than the politicians. So what will be the help of the church to the community? What will be the help of the church to the community? What will the youth they benefit from the church? Which company that church will say Christian association build? When says Christian association build at least it can contain more than 10,000 workers. But I'll tell you as a Muslim, my brother, in any place you as a Muslim go to not to look for job, bros, you go get job. Not be mat. Not be mat. If you are a Muslim, you go to north, you go and look for a job. You are a Muslim, you go get job. They will provide job for you. They go provide job for you. That is true. But for Christianity, if you know they go their church, if you know they go Christian, if you know they go their church, then they don't give that opportunity. As long as you know they go their church. But most, as long as you are a Muslim, my brother, they will provide job opportunity for you. That is why now, if you want to get job now, if you don't change your name to Muslim, then you can never get job for Nigeria. So what in the Christian association they do for the so-called useless slavery mentors where they don't follow them. If na lie, na me want to change the zimo come. If na lie talk, more than tell me say na me talk. Na truth I tell you, my people. The Christian Association of Nigeria. What will be the benefit? What will be the benefit, my brother? Might tell you one thing, Might tell you one thing. They say give your life to Christ. If you die because of Christ, you will go heaven. Bros, you are deceiving yourself. Might tell you one thing. Me, Chimezimo Koma, I prefer to die for the truth. I prefer to die for Biafra. I prefer to die for Manida Mazina Brikalo. My name will never forget. Biafrans will never forget my name. Like as we are doing it every year. As they remember our people who died for Biafra war. For the people who Nigerians don't care, so they remember them, my name will never lose. But my brother, you know how many Christians don't die? That woman who they killed about 3 years ago for North, that redeem woman who they preach to Abuja, who they kill. How many times they don't remember that woman? Nobody remember her. All the old Christians who they kill. How many Christians don't remember them? Never remember them. To show you that only Biafra will save you. And they tell you. Only Biafra will save you, my brother. And they tell you the truth. Because your cause don't do anything. I'm right. Your cause don't go fit do anything. If your Jesus Christ, your so-called Jesus Christ, if your Jesus Christ don't fit protect the people who give him a life, they keep for side church, because now Christians they kill, they don't kill Muslim. Now Christians they are killing. If your Jesus Christ and your God don't fit protect people who believe on him, because he said John 3:16, for God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son. Whosoever believes in him shall not perish but live everlasting life. When you ask some animals Christians, they want to defend John 3:16. When you ask them which everlasting life, they will say everlasting life in heaven. Because now these useless black people now understand say heaven the way they go. That because all those people they preach heaven for you, why they not go heaven? They say everlasting life na the heaven. Now make una call una life giver. That is why they are deceiving you people. That is why you are dying every day. They are beating church to church instead of creating job opportunity. The God, you know what they pay me for? The Igbo politicians are the most useless animals I ever see in my life. Igbo politician go church, go campaign. He go win. For the Igbo politician, for him to build company for him place, he go build church. He go on that place. He go Abuja. He go Lagos, go build company. Now what Igbo politicians they do? Igbo politicians. For they win, for them to create job opportunity for them to create a job opportunity for that place, they go build church. But they carry that job opportunity to one create, can go build that for North. That is why they are building church to church. Instead of building hospital, instead of building schools, instead of creating job opportunity, instead of giving them good life, they are building church. Church is not going to help you. The more they are building church, the more people are frustrating. Instead of building companies, they are building church. Let's assume in that those churches they are building that is job opportunity. Tell me who go inside church, go cry again. Animals, those shinama, useless Christianities, they'll begin to insult me. Come and debate me as a Christian, I go win you. I go win you. Bring Bible, come. Read Bible, I go analyze them for you. I'm a Rastafari. Biafra is my religion. I do spiritual. I call on spiritual every day. They guide me. My mom don't die, my father don't die. That spirit, they guide me. My family, juju, every juju to my family, and I offer. That's why people they say, offer can see. Offer can see, yes. Offer can see. He say, what is offer can see? He say, spiritual, strong, past poison. Offer, nambration. How many pastors will carry Bible swear say, if you don't find oppressed person, make this Bible kill him? How many pastors? If Bible they rework, why politicians they use Bible they swear they see their life? If Quran get power, why they use the Quran they swear they see their life? How many pastors go fit carry Bible say if you don't keep person, make this Bible kill him? But my grandfather who get offer, anybody will get offer, go fit bold carry offer say if you don't ever oppress person, make this offer kill him. Because if you do bad, that offer you don't go fit carry him. That is the pure truth. I don't go to church, but everything I tell you is truth. Go and ask your pastor. Instead of getting job opportunity, they are building churches. They are building churches. Why? Because they don't want you to know the truth. They don't want you to know the truth. Get all vote, Gila Ogunwosa. Because your vote, they don't count your vote. Look at the old useless men where you want to vote for. Old men, useless old men where you want to vote for. People will not get future for you. People will not even like you. Look at what they are doing. AAC come out now. They campaign. They campaign for their own political party. They don't carry knife. They don't carry gun. They don't carry anything. Just only banner and their poster. They begin arrest innocent boys. They begin arrest now. The so-called Sahara reports where they protest for now. In Sahara report, no carry the news. Sahara reports no carry the news. No pastor preach about it. No king, no traditional leaders, no elder talk about it. Because those useless traditional leaders, all those useless elders, they are collecting money from the politicians. They refuse to say the truth. And I saw Amadioha go ask them one by one. Because if you try me, Amadioha will strike you to death. And I tell you the truth. If you try me, Chuma Amadioha will strike you to death. If you try me, Kama Lozo will strike you to death. If you try me, the spirit of my mom and my dad will strike you to death. If you try me, Ofon Nambreji will strike you to death because I don't believe in blood of Jesus. I believe in Almighty Chukwukabiama because his spirit, you don't see him. That is why I bear his name. He's different from God. Chineke is not God. Satan is not a Quinsu. God, Muhammad, all of them, now the same people bring and come. People will be say they don't understand your language. We don't even know anything about you. We change your writing. They change your writing. They change everything about you. Even when they pay me now, most of our tradition now will be done lost before. Now because of my leader now, make many culture, many tradition now, many things come begin to rise up. It come begin to rise up. Ekwe joku obode ebuashia. Na boti dey happen so. Akwa Biafra, we must restore Biafra. Obodo Chineke must restore because I will move Chineke. That is why if you see what Israel passed through, the pain what Israel passed through, if you go look the Israel history, if you get sense, you do Nigeria, you go look the history of the Biafrans. There is no difference between Biafra and Israel. And they tell the truth. That one appear to. I'm not saying this because my leader is there. I am telling you the truth. I am telling you the truth. Go and search for the history of the Israel and the history of Biafra. There is no different. There is no different. But Israel are better than us today because they gain their freedom by fighting for their rights. Never they will kill any Israel outside Israel again. No. Israel are not protecting themselves because when they thought people say Jesus Christ of Nazareth don't have Jesus. The Israel, they don't protect themselves blood of Jesus. They don't protect themselves blood of God. Israel are protecting themselves with their wisdom, with their technology. They are protecting themselves with technology like the way Boko Haram are doing. Boko Haram are protecting themselves with arms. So you Christianity in that useless country are protecting yourself with Bible and blood of Jesus. Bible, only water no go save you. Now Biafra, I go save you. Wanna stay good, my people. I don't travel now today. I don't be hungry. I go chop. Because all those pastors, they tell now lie. They promise now everything. Look at Europe. Then when they now for this useless zoo where they pray for you every day, now hungry they keep people for Nigeria. Now hungry they keep people. Hungry they keep people. They ban importation of rice. No pastor preach it. No pastor talk about that and say why they go ban importation of rice. Where the useless country, where government no fit put money for farmers, where they plant rice. They ban importation of rice. But they from Niger, they smuggle rice, they enter north. No pastor preach about it because pastors now, their food, they import their food. They import their rice. No matter how much that rice costs, pastor go buy her. Members go bring and come. Pastor don't talk about it. I mean the poor mass is there. So far every Sunday, poor people carry money come church. Only some go in church. Only some go in church. Only the person who go tell me say Ruby, can't believe in Christianity. I wish the person generation in Nigeria. That's the pure truth. If you vote, that means you renew your madness. If you vote, you renew your slavery. If you vote, you renew your stupidity. No more voting for that zoo. The Nigeria don't go. We are talking about the Republic of Biafra, Obodo Chineke. When I stay good, the Chineke when I'm going I beg. Only for my director. Soon your mama. Only for my director. Soon your mama. Soon your mena. Onye fruche me for us ya mama so your mela. I've never seen people like those people before my life. Mazinam de kana uche me for afu be mo odi madu no na ndom. That is why I follow you people. Onye for my leader so ya mama. Onye for my leader so ya mama o si ekelele me onye m gozie am chim meziem chim nefe gozie ya enwe ihe geme ya onwa Chineke. Onye geme my leader mama ndewo no mu Chineke. Onye m gozie no nyele ise